A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, here we are with science and our chapter is health and hygiene. Our today's topic is exercise, adequate rest. Today we are going to study about rest and posture. Very important topic, not only for your exams but also for your life. Okay, so let's begin. So let's start with our first topic, that is exercise. We should exercise regularly because exercise helps in blood circulation, it also helps in digestion and it also helps in toning of our muscles. Okay. It keeps us fit and healthy. So children, you should do lots of exercise. You can play cricket, football, hockey, all these are also forms of exercises. Yoga, swimming, cycling, walking, running, these are also exercises. And children, as we all know that now we are facing a very challenging situation. We cannot go out to play cricket, hockey, basketball because in this they are all group games. But kids, you can practice yoga at home. In this, you have to not go outside. Okay. So children, I will suggest you that practice yoga at home. इसमें आपको बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है ना? Now we will see the second one. Adequate rest. Children, proper rest relaxes our body. It relaxes our brain because हम पूरे दिन कितना काम करते हैं and when we rest, what happens? Our brain relaxes. So kids, proper rest and sleep relax our muscles and also give rest to our body. This helps in proper functioning of the body. Okay? हमें थोड़ा रेस्ट चाहिए कि हमारी बॉडी ठीक से फंक्शन कर पाए. अगर आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं होगी तो आप दूसरे दिन इतने अलर्ट नहीं रहोगे. That's why adequate rest is necessary for proper functioning of our body. After rest, we feel fresh and get ready to work again. To stay healthy, an adult needs 6 to 8 hours of sleep. So children, sleep at proper time at night. Do not अब जागो नहीं रात को देर तक. If you will remain awake till late night, what will happen? You will get dark circles, your sleep pattern will change, you can also be sick. Okay? So keep these things in mind. Then the next topic is posture. So here we come to the last topic of our chapter, that is posture. Okay. While standing or sitting, we must keep our back straight. We should keep our back straight. हमें ऐसे नहीं खड़ा रहना चाहिए, ठीक है? उससे क्या होगा? A stress will be created on your back. Okay. And that is not good. Apostasy. When you are writing, reading or studying, this should be your posture. Straight back. You should not lean forward like this. What will happen? Strain will come in your eyes. Your eyes will be stressed out. Your back will be stressed. Okay? So a correct posture is very important for your health also and for a graceful appearance also. Leaning forward while reading puts extra pressure on our back and eyes. Correct posture gives us a graceful appearance, while incorrect posture over a long period of time can make us sick. So now kids, what you will do? You will do lots of exercise, you will do yoga at home and you will maintain a proper posture while standing, while sitting, while moving. Okay? So here our chapter ends and now we will see the notes of our chapter. These are your notes and this you have to copy down in your notebook. I will be sending it you through WhatsApp. Standard 5 Subject Science, Chapter Food and Hygiene. These are multiple choice questions. Okay, fill in the blanks. Correct posture gives us a graceful appearance. All these we have done in our worksheets. This is not new for you. Okay, ये सब हम किस में कर चुके हैं, हमारी वर्कशीट्स में. तो ये क्या हुआ आपका, ये हुआ आपका रिवीजन, क्योंकि आपको ये पहले से ही आता है. अब आपको बस रिवाइज करके अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है. Okay, see all these questions were there in your worksheet. Name the nutrients required by our body to remain healthy. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Okay. What is new for you? That questions I will discuss. All these questions were there in your worksheets. So I am skipping them. The new questions will be discussed. See, this is a new question. Rahul asks his mother to give their maid 1 day's leave so that she can take her baby to the polio booth for vaccination against polio. Question: why is polio vaccine important for the children? Why is polio vaccine important for the children, kids? The answer is polio vaccine is important for the children to prevent polio infection. Now the whole world is busy in what? What are the scientists busy in? To find the vaccine against COVID-19 so that we can stop the spread of COVID-19. Similarly, polio vaccine is necessary to prevent the spread of polio. What can we learn from Rahul? Care and concern. Okay? What Rahul asked? Rahul asked his mother to give their maid. We should have concern for our maid also, for servants also, for each one in our family and in the world. We should have care and concern. Then we will be a good citizen. And awareness about the health. Okay, we should be aware of our health and health of the people around us. Then why should we exercise regularly? We should exercise regularly to stay fit and healthy. Okay, this all were discussed. This was also discussed. Now this last question. Raman spends his holidays sitting in front of the computer while Sushil plays outdoor games. Who is doing right and why? शायद आप भी ऐसा करते होंगे. Some of you might be always sitting in the front of television and some of you might be playing and enjoying life. So who is correct? Is Raman correct or is Sushil correct? Let's see. Sushil is doing the right thing because playing outdoor games is a good exercise for our body. It helps us to remain fit and healthy. So we should play outdoor games a lot. And now I know that many playing coaching classes are stopped as schools are stopped. So you cannot play basketball, football, cricket because all these are group games. So children, practice yoga at home. Okay? So we will meet next time. In the next class, we will be revising this chapter. So complete your notes, study, so it will be better for you. Okay? Bye bye. May God bless you.